Wow, 9-9 here as well with the Hermit card. This is the ninth card of the Major Arcana. The Hermit card here, yeah, with the Judgment card especially, this is definitely resonant. Somebody could be going through some inner reflection, going within, getting some inner enlightenment. Somebody could be spending a lot of time to themselves. And with the Hermit card here, you'll see in this picture the light that is illuminating, and it's kind of facing this Nine of Wands in reverse, and the Judgment card here. So I feel like someone is becoming aware. Someone's going through some kind of inner introspection, and they're becoming aware of maybe something they need to work on. Maybe somebody, like I said, they need to not count themselves out so fast or not give up so easily. And like I said, there's something about the Judgment card. Somebody's going through a heavy awakening right now, and they might need to spend time alone if they're not doing so already, or they're getting this awakening or this wake-up call because of the time they're spending alone, because of the time they're spending with themselves, and they're going through this enlightenment.